When I was public defender of Cook County, as much as I could, I tried to urge my lawyers to become members of the ABA. One, because it's the nation's largest bar association. Two, it represents a lot of different interests. And it has function standards for both prosecution, for monitors, and for defense counsel. All of those things come to a head and are at the same table when you're part of the Criminal Justice Section Council. You have academicians, you have prosecutors, you have defense counsel, you have a lot of different folks who are dealing with the same issues, and you learn a lot of different perspectives. But you really have people who are trying to, one, establish a coherent, consistent ABA policy on justice issues so that the different societies within the criminal justice system, the defense counsel, prosecutors, have standards to look to that can regulate their practice. Not so much to control what they do, but to give them support when they go into court and a judge says, I want you to do this. They said, the standards require that I do otherwise. And I'm following the standards because the largest bar association in the nation has said that these are the standards that we need to uphold. That carries a lot of weight in the courtroom. And judges don't want to be reversed. And when you can cite that type of background, a court that's reviewing that decision, whatever it is going to pay a lot of attention to that. Being a member of the Criminal Justice Section Council, if it was just for the amount of information that you get about your practice, that alone would be worth it. Just to know what's going on, so that you know that the problems that you have are the same problems that they have in New Orleans, or Memphis, Tennessee, or LA, or the Bronx. But to have a voice and to have due consideration of the concerns that you have being manifest on a national level in meetings like we had this afternoon, that's invaluable. And it's an invaluable resource that I don't think that while state bar associations have their place, while the National Legal Aid and Defender Association has its place, NACDL has its place, the American Bar Association and the Criminal Justice Section Council, all of those organizations come together to try to make our practice, whether it's a prosecutor or whether it's a defender, make our practice what the Constitution envisions. And I don't think that you can ask for anything better than that.